Nobody told me that it would be sweet. Got me looking up at the sky, go wondering why the sun don't shine the same. Lord, why you had to make it rain on me? Yeah. Gave him an Adderall cause these niggas been sleeping on me. I knew she was lying when she told me she'll never leave me alone. One of a kind, God keep blessing me like they sneezing on me. At night I be crying, asking the Lord to get these demons out. I gotta let it all go, trying to hide this pain. This shit deeper than what y'all know. Praying for my gang, instead of wishing that we all blow.
Hey man, what do? It's your boy JCTV here, back with another banger video, boy. I low-key should have recorded the cold start I just had, cause I ain't even gonna cap with you. That's the loudest one I done heard. The loudest one, man. But you see Mango, man, you know, we only here for one thing and one thing only. To make Mango better every day, bro. Every day. So look, bro. I got 3 things I can put on right now. But the thing is, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put them on today. One of them. But man, let me go ahead and show you, bro. Number 1, we got a black box. Yeah, a black box. You can put it anywhere in the car. It's just I'm just talking. We got some. Hold on, let me try to open this while holding the camera. If that didn't work. Hold on real quick. Man, we got some Rgb Lights, man. Hold on, man. Man, you know, we got some Rgb Lights, man. Ox beam. Shout out to them, you know. I had these same lights in Pablo, and it's only right that I put them in Mango. But, you know, the goal is to put these in by the day, but that's going to be the hardest thing to put in. Only because of the wiring. The wiring not hard, it's just, you get what I'm saying, man. We actually got 4 mods, but I'm not worried about the other one's small. We got some RGB car LED strip lights, and let me cut the camera off so I can take my dress off this box. And we have an easy lip universal spoiler lip, man. So that's the goal for the things to put on today. The other mod ain't nothing but, you know, swapping out the yellow interior lights for, you know, some brighter LED ones. But that's also, I'm gonna make that a separate video, because that's a task right there, boy. That's a video that involves an explanation, because a lot of people don't know how to take them lights out and what all it takes to take them out. So first things first, man. You know, Mango is already clean. I watched Mango. What's today? Today's Saturday. I watched Mango Thursday, so I wouldn't have to watch it this weekend, even though I'm probably still gonna have to because of what's going on today. But first thing I'm gonna put on is the interior lights. Show y'all where I'm gonna mount mine at, and yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do first. So let me take everything out that we're gonna focus on right now. Because first we're gonna do the lights on the inside, then we're gonna do the lip. And then I gotta go to the store to get fuse taps, 12 gauge wire, all that good stuff. So once I get everything took out and everything set up, I'm gonna put the camera back on. So I got these off Amazon. They was $19.99, something like that. You know, pretty the easy one. You know, I'm not really gonna show y'all how to put them in, because I mean it's pretty self-explanatory. You know, peel the tape off and place the lights where you want to place it. Now, in Pablo, I had lights under the seat, and then I had them on the side too. And I low-key want to put them on the side because it's brighter than me. So I'm on my mind on the side right there, and then on the back seat. So that's where I put them on my mind. So, you know, once I get those in, you know, cut them on, you know, show y'all what they look like, and then we can focus on other things, you know. Before I do that, you know, it's a lot of things that's still coming in. I ain't even gonna speak on it. It's a lot of things that's coming in, you know. Some big mods, some minor mods. pistols just make it stand out, because, you know, I like being a standout person. And then, of course, the rap, and, you know, other small detail stuff. But let me put these lights in, I'm going to put the camera back on. Yes, sir. We got him in, man. We got him in. Oh, so and, you know, we got a controller that you can change the colors with the different modes and everything. But, you know, we're keeping that on orange. But before I go on to the next one and go any further, you know, I just want to shout out God and the NPA's man. First of all, I hope I ain't too long for you. Hey, but man, shout out to God, man. You know, without him, I wouldn't be in the position where I'm in right now. So, make sure y'all thank God, you know. Build your relationship with God, you know. Flourish with God. Nourish God. I think I'm gonna get my wisdom early, man. You can't go wrong by building God involved, bro. Like, I mean that sincerely. So I stress that people need to have a relationship with God, and I feel like it's only right for me to tell y'all that, because that's what I pray for every night. You know, building with God ain't gonna give you no setbacks. I mean, yeah, you're gonna have your trials and tribulations, but that's just to test your faith with God. That's what comes with life, especially with life with Christ, man. So if there's one thing you're gonna do today, bro, anything, thank God, you know. He woke you up this morning. I mean, if it weren't for him, you wouldn't even be watching this video right now. Or doing what you had to take care of today, man. So make sure you thank him, let him know how much you appreciate him, and, you know, build with him. But yeah, man. I also got another mod. Ain't really no mod, but it's like a security feature, but I ain't gonna say all that shit. So next, we got easy, man. So next, what you do is, you go under the car. I'm gonna show y'all a picture of what it used to look like on my car. So, clean up under the car, and then, it's easy, bro. Peel the 3M tape. And it's gonna go shaped off what you know, it's shaped off what you know, put it on by. So if you want it out, you want it in, it's gonna hold too. So clean your surface first. I should be able to show y'all me putting it on. Let me go get my tripod. So yeah, bro, it's pretty easy. First thing I'm gonna do is wipe my, you know, wipe off all the wax and everything that's under the bumper, and then show y'all how to put this easy lip on. Now, before y'all say, oh, he putting the easy lip on, he doing the easy stuff, that's because the splitter and everything ain't here yet. These are my sponsors, so of course I'm gonna show them love. So yeah, man, let me go ahead and zoom this out real quick. So y'all how to clean under the car. Then once you do that, take this out the package, show you how it will go on. Yes, sir. It's on there, and with the bent rubber, you can put tire shine on there to glossing it up. But it gives you extra length, you know, and all you do, you get you some scissors and you cut that piece. So I'm finna go get some scissors because I didn't bring none. I'm gonna give y'all a little insight on Easy Lip. So Easy Lip, not only is it a front splitter, right, but it also protects the bottom of your car. Now, everybody know, bro. Everybody know your car low now. Pablo was low, but it was not low like this. There I got this car straight. I was going up the drive. I said, aha, no, not doing this. So Easy Lip is not only a stylish splitter, but it is also a bumper protector. Everybody know, boy. You go look under the bottom of your car. I don't even think y'all can see it for real. Yeah, y'all see that? Yeah, that come. Hitting them curves. Well, I ain't gonna say curves. Not curves. Them speed bumps the wrong way. Or hitting them I don't know, dips in the ground, bro. Now, the only thing that we have left to do today, might go ahead and knock out the lights too. The inside lights, or the headlights. So, I'm finna go to the store and get all the parts that I need. And once I do that and come back, we're gonna put them things in. Alright, so what you need first, obviously your lights. I shouldn't even have to tell you that. But you need a wire. My seatbelt's still on. Hold on. You need some fuses, because it's a fuse tab. You need a wire stripper and a cut. Same thing. 14 gauge wire. I used to use 12. I got thinner. A fuse tab and some curtains. So yeah, I'm gonna make this all one video. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the process of taking the whole headlights off, because we gotta take the intake off, and then we'll go from there. Alright, man. Alright. So let me power SRT, man. You know what I'm saying? Big SRT. But so basically, you know, once you get your intake off and everything, you know, we got thought about it. Look at that airflow sensor, man. You pop the cap back here. You see them caps? You pop them. Now I don't mean pop out break. I mean take them off pop. Take them off. Take them off. Get the other one back here. Yeah, so that's all you gotta do to change your headlights too, for those who don't know. Cause I'm pretty sure some people, I know some people who go get their headlights changed at shop and they taxing. I just be like, why are you paying all that money? And you can just, anyway. So with the headlight, right? Look at the headlight. And it's the, ooh, these headlights so expensive, bro. Gonna sell them. So what you do with these, right? If I'm not mistaken, you're supposed to twist them out. Like the headlights I done had before, you just twist them out. Like you tighten in that loop. You know, right tight, left loosey. You twist. But these seem to not like me. So I'm finna figure this out, because I don't know if you supposed to push down. What's a clip? It's a clip. Oh, okay. So with these headlights, you want to loosen the clip, and then since I loosen that clip right there, that means this shit working. It don't. It don't. Okay. I like them. Yeah. Now, how do I get these out? That's the real question. Yeah. Let me put the phone down real quick. Alright, so I ain't even gonna cut with y'all finna give up. But I found out that the Dodge OEM headlights like these right here, on my first Charger, not probably my first Charger, I had these same type of headlights, right? But I never changed them. I always took it to the shop to get changed until I learned how to do them myself. But apparently, you have to twist this collar off right here, or untwist it. Untwist it so you can get your actual headlight out, which is a task by itself, because I can't get that one on. See, y'all can see it. But basically, what it is, perfect phone pop. That collar right there. See my finger. That collar right there, that white collar right there. You gotta twist it, and then once you twist it, it'll unlock the headlight to where you can take it off. So let's see if I can do it. You know, right side, left loosey. That's right. Can't get it. So give me another second, bro. That's crazy, because as soon as I took off cut the camera off, it worked. So let me grab the aux beam RGBs real quick and show y'all how these work. I don't think I got a video installation of them on this channel, probably my old channel, but let me show y'all what we're gonna do. So let me put all my tools down here. These headlights I'm selling. These right here. Screws for the intake, bolt for the intake, and then headlight caps and pliers. So with the aux beam RGBs, right? car alarm went on. So with the RGBs, right? I'm a fuse type. So let me explain to you how that works. That's why I had to go buy all this other stuff. So okay, give me a second. So wow, the new kit came with interesting. Getting cut off. So these, I just dropped them. We'll see if they still work. Of course they still work. I'm gonna show y'all an example real quick. So I'm gonna plug these in and show y'all. Okay, so we have run into another dilemma because the plug-in adapter that cuts on the headlights apparently does not fit this in, and I looked under there to see if it was another one. So we're not putting on RGBs today. That's okay though. That's okay. My feelings are a little hurt behind it, but that's okay, bro. So you know that's a good amount of mods to install for today. You know we got Easy Lip and neon lights. You know, next video, you know, is going to be the interior lights. Show you how to change out that ugly yellow and turn it to a beautiful color. So this is part one of this video, man. You know, today supposed to be a car / truck meet in Biloxi, so we'll make a little road trip vlog and make something out of that, man. So we gonna as of right now, we gonna stop this video right here, and this is gonna be part one, man. So I appreciate all of y'all, man. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, browse. We go up all 2021, man. With that being said, it's your boy JCTV here, and I'm out.
Came in the world by myself, so I'ma die alone. Told you I need you in my life, but you let me cry alone. You left my heart